I got the jacket, the beige jacket. I'm Larry, the doctor. Actually, I can't believe these things are happening. I mean, I thought when I show up you look like an old trout, but you look bloody gorgeous.
Well, thank you.
Yeah. You mentioned the hotel. I mean, there is no rush. Actually, there is. I have to be at 3 in surgery.
You're having an operation?
No, I'm doing one.
You're really a doctor?
Yeah, I told you. Are you Anna?
I'm sorry. Did I photograph you? Did we meet somewhere?
Oh. Stop playing games, you nymph of the net.
Excuse me?
Oh, you were up for it yesterday, huh? Wear my wet knickers, sit on my face, come hungry bitch typing things like...
Okay.
Why do I feel a bit like a pervert right now?
I think you're a victim of a practical joke.
I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
No. I was talking to you yesterday. Where have you been between 6:45 and 7 o'clock?
It's none of your business. Where were you?
Well, in the internet, talking to you.
Somebody pretending to be me. I think I know who you spoke to. Daniel Wolf. I know this guy.
No. I was talking to a woman. I mean, that was a real woman. I had a huge... She wasn't, was she?
No.
No. That bastard. I mean, how do you know him?
I don't really know him. I photographed him for one of the books he wrote.
And why does he pretend to be you?
I think he likes me.
Oh. That's a very strange way of showing it. I mean, why doesn't he just give you some flowers?
I don't know.
Oh, goddamn. Are you up for a coffee?
Sure.
Great. Okay.